In Fiwi Culture, we're gonna roll it back to 2010 when Ding Dong teamed up with Chevron for give with a big hit, It's a Holiday. I'm not sing no more. Let's get the backstory from Ding Dong.
Yeah man, check this out. The Ding Dong Ravers, and this is here what the interview where I just bought a little how we come about with holiday song. The story, some parts of it, the main parts of it, the bone parts of it. Big up to Unga, Notice Production, and big up to Chevron, the singer, baddest, goes by choir right now. And much love. Jono Bravo, the Wings of Steel with ad libs. So that song, yeah, you know that song, yeah? Well, it's a holly. Remember good na man, see there. Yeah. The summer is hot. I think
It's a holiday.
What was it that inspired Holiday?
It was Unga, the producer, and Chevron come link me, Nannyville. A man and them they leave for go foreign. You see me? And them come link me and say, yo, them have something they want me here. And when them come link me, Unga play a rhythm for me. Unga play a rhythm, but the rhythm Unga play, me and say, oh yeah, rhythm a nice man, yeah. And I made me and said, dog, then this year drive come link me, come, for, you see me? From here and I said, nice, send it to me man, everything good, I go and meet it. And then I reach my vehicle now to drive off. Chevron come to me and say, yo, I have something more want you hear, you know. You see me? Listen this. And then play it. Unga play it and everything. And play the rhythm. And Chevron comes so. And just say, well, it's a holiday, yeah, yeah. When the rhythm I play, you know, from the vehicle, you know, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going to say, stop. And I'm say, what do you mean stop? I'm going to say, play it back again. And I'm going to say, sing what you just sing. Well, it's a holiday, yeah, 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 yeah. Chevron, you know, baddest thing. Me say, Jesus. And just out of nowhere, me just say, well, it's a nice sunny evening, a cool afternoon. I'm say, Unga. And I cut guy foreign, go make Chevron sing that. As me forward back, my voice it. Sunny day, when I get in, I reach Jamaica. I hear it, I say, Jesus, I say, yo, studio right away. I'm call Bravo. And the only thing that, well, it's a nice sunny evening, a cool afternoon. Nobody has to work now, nobody goes to school. And go down there. Mikey Bennett studio. I ask Mikey Bennett anytime I see him. Mikey Bennett studio, I'm on the studio, everything. And I go down there. I carry Bravo. And I tell Bravo to go do the ad-lib on it first. So Bravo I do the ad-lib on the song before me record my part. Mikey Bennett walk in. And Mikey Bennett say, like Marks, I would say, and the song is true, and play the song. When we done the first verse, I look on Mikey Bennett, I say, yo, I say, Mikey Bennett, that song will be one of the biggest songs here in Jamaica. In a long while. Mikey Bennett. Anyway you see him, ask him. And him say, alright son, me there, we see it. Sunny day.
What was the vibe like in the studio while you were recording your portion of the song?
Nice. Just the energy. And that vibe on stage, so Chevron did everything. The whole of we come in together, like the energy we have on the song. It just different. From me hear the rhythm. From me hear Chevron sing that. The energy just different. I mean that I want the song that I know like in a real life. I mean just know set. That song is gonna be one big song.
Sit down on the corner, joke around and act a fool. The Ella's playing dominoes, strength is playing fool.
Meadowbrook Massive, big up on yourself. Until next time, I'm your host Nalda Addy, signing out of another episode of Pree Dis Show. Until I see you again, just stay safe and take care of yourself. Zine, I'm out.